In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make simple buttons with icons in Webflow. Quick tip. First, open your Webflow project in the designer so you're looking at the page where your button lives. It helps to have your icon file ready to go before you start, ideally as an SVG. SVGs stay sharp at any size and are lightweight, which is perfect for buttons that appear throughout your site. Next, click to select the button you want to add an icon to. This could be a button element or a link block styled to look like a button. Make sure the button has a class applied so any style changes you make will stay consistent across similar buttons. If you plan to reuse this pattern on multiple buttons, consider working on a class or combo class now to save time later. Now open the Add panel and add an image element. You can press the A key or click the plus icon to open the panel, then drag the image into your button. Drop it either before or after the button text, depending on whether the icon should appear on the left or the right. When the image is placed, give it appropriate alt text. If the icon is purely decorative and doesn't add meaning, set the alt text to be empty so screen readers can skip it. Otherwise, describe it briefly. Choose your SVG icon from your assets or upload it if it's not there yet. Pick a simple, clear icon that supports the action the button takes, like an arrow for navigation or a check mark for confirmation. Because SVGs scale without losing quality, you can confidently size it down for small buttons or up for larger ones. If your SVG was prepared to inherit color, it will match your text color automatically. If not, make sure you upload it in the color you want to display. Time to customize. With the button selected, set its display to flex so the icon and text sit neatly on one line. Choose Align Center to vertically center them and set a small gap for spacing. Around 8 to 12 pixels often looks great. Click the image inside the button and set its width to match your design, typically between 16 and 24 pixels. Avoid stretching by setting only one dimension. If you want the icon on the right, simply reorder the elements in the navigator or drag the image to the other side of the text. Adjust the button's padding so the overall shape stays balanced, and preview the hover state to ensure the icon and text respond together. Keep everything consistent across your button sizes for a polished look. And that's it. Clean, simple buttons with icons in Webflow. Congratulations.